The installation was completed in 2016. It's been 6 years since we've had it in, and it doesn't have any aging on it at all. It looks brand new.
It's been 5 years, absolutely looks like new.
Well, we've had it for, I guess, more than 4 years now, and there's no sign of any deterioration.
The installation was beyond what I expected. I could not believe that this was my old concrete that was completely refurbished and looked nothing like what it looked like originally.
So we figured we were going to have to tear it all up and start all over. And then my wife found RenuKrete, and they made it look like it's brand new.
It looks like a refined backyard. We're very happy, family's happy, and then the final product was, beyond what my expectations were.
I love my pool deck.
Yeah.
I love it. It's gorgeous. It looks like real stone and very easy to maintain. Gave us the look of natural stone without having to bust up all that concrete and replace it all. I would say absolutely don't even give it a second thought. Go ahead, do RenuKrete. It will save you time, money, and a lot of maintenance.
It passed the, I'd say the mother-in-law test. My mother-in-law looked at it, she said, boy, your deck looks really nice. Whereas before they were saying it doesn't look too good. So it's much more inviting.
It's always easy to recommend a good company, people who are true to their word, and it's lived up to what it was billed out to be.